Today I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your back between the lower section and the sacrum. It's a pretty simple process. It takes about 3 steps. The first step is to raise your hand like this, all the way up. And then just hold that position. You can feel a tightening on your lower back, so you can go as high as possible, very high. And then try to reach all the way to the ceiling. And then freeze. Hold it for about 10 seconds. You can feel the muscle stretching a little bit. You can feel your lower back tighten as you go up higher. Okay? And then you slowly bring your hand down, place it on the back, like right here. And then push this down and then lean back. Hope that works out for you. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.